Directly transmitted. Directly transmitted parasites, not requiring a vector to reach their hosts, include such parasites of terrestrial vertebrates as lice and mites, marine parasites such as copepods and cyanid amphipods, monogeneans, and many species of nematodes, fungi, protozoans, bacteria, and viruses. Whether endoparasites or ectoparasites, each has a single host species. Within that species, most individuals are free or almost free of parasites, while a minority carry a large number of parasites. This is known as an aggregated distribution. Trophically transmitted. Trophically transmitted parasites are transmitted by being eaten by a host. They include trematodes, cestodes, acanthocephalans, pentastomids, many roundworms, and many protozoa such as toxoplasma. They have complex life cycles involving hosts of 2 or more species. In their juvenile stages, they infect and often encyst in the intermediate host. When the intermediate host animal is eaten by a predator, the definitive host, the parasite survives the digestion process and matures into an adult, some live as intestinal parasites. Many trophically transmitted parasites modify the behavior of their intermediate hosts, increasing their chances of being eaten by a predator. As with directly transmitted parasites, the distribution of trophically transmitted parasites among host individuals is aggregated. Co-infection by multiple parasites is common. Autoinfection, where the whole of the parasite's life cycle takes place in a single primary host, can sometimes occur in helminths such as Strongyloides stercoralis. Vector transmitted. Vector transmitted parasites rely on a third party, an intermediate host, where the parasite does not reproduce sexually, to carry them from one definitive host to another. These parasites are microorganisms, namely protozoa, bacteria, or viruses, often intracellular pathogens. Their vectors are mostly hematophagic arthropods such as fleas, lice, ticks, and mosquitoes. For example, the deer tick Ixodes scapularis acts as a vector for diseases including Lyme disease, babesiosis, and anaplasmosis. Protozoan endoparasites, such as the malarial parasites in the genus Plasmodium and sleeping sickness parasites in the genus Trypanosoma, have infective stages in the host's blood which are transported to new hosts by biting insects. Parasitoids. Parasitoids are insects which sooner or later kill their hosts, placing their relationship close to predation. Most parasitoids are parasitoid wasps or other hymenopterans. Others include dipterans such as phorid flies. They can be divided into 2 groups, idiobionts and koinobionts, differing in their treatment of their hosts. Idiobiont parasitoids sting their often large prey on capture, either killing them outright or paralyzing them immediately. The immobilized prey is then carried to a nest, sometimes alongside other prey if it is not large enough to support a parasitoid throughout its development. An egg is laid on top of the prey and the nest is then sealed. The parasitoid develops rapidly through its larval and pupal stages, feeding on the provisions left for it. Koinobiont parasitoids, which include flies as well as wasps,